Are you seeing the P2GRC Library DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. I've linked the primary utility for P2GRC Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the P2GRC Library, a specialized P2G Game Resource module. It houses the unmanaged string tables, localized assets, and UI templates for proprietary game engines. It facilitates the data link between the game core and the visual asset manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. When P2GRC Library DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components, and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the P2GRC library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Warning: P2GRC Library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing P2GRC library and maintaining system health. To keep P2GRC library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.